Hey there, sweet friends. I hope you are all well. Welcome back, or welcome if you're new. Excited today to be able to share the drawing for the winner of our giveaway to celebrate another super successful 12 Days of Christmas in July tutorial series here on our YouTube channel. Before I get to that drawing, I want to take a moment to thank the Tech Hubby for once again creating a fun intro for our series, and this year he also created the music to go along with it. I think it turned out awesome. We couldn't do it without you, Tech Hubby. Make sure to give him a little love in the comments for all he does to make this series possible. I also want to thank all of you for joining in. All the views and likes really helps my channel to grow, and all the comments to the question of the day helps me to connect with all of you. I'm so proud to have such a supportive and crafty family here on my channel, so thanks going out to all the peeps as well. The next series we have coming up is our 13 Days of Halloween series. I don't have an exact start date available to share, but when I do, I will give an update. You can help me out by letting me know in the comments what collection you'd like to see me create with for these not so spooky projects. I always try to order from scrapbook.com, and I want to use collections that are currently available, so keep that in mind when you share your favorite. Okay, now for the fun part. If you all remember, this is the Christmas scene step card that we're giving away for our drawing, and in this bowl is the name of all the peeps who played by the rules of the giveaway. And I am terrible at names, so I'll just say sorry in advance if I mispronounce. I'm wishing all of you good luck, and the winner is Marilyn 1950. Congratulations to you, Marilyn. Can you please reach out to me in a private message in the Polly's Paper Studio Facebook page and let me know the address I can ship this card to? So that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. You can find links in the description for our socials. And as always, I'm wishing you a happy and productive day, and I thank you so much for watching. Bye.